welcome back to the channel. It's another day to boost our eager for opening tomorrow. So tomorrow when market open, so much to expect. Again, welcome back. Let's go over some stocks. So we're still in earnings season, earning week. It's time for all these gigantic companies to report earnings. And with that said, we have two earnings that's going to be a beater, not sure of a beater, but going to bring a lot of heartache next week to the market. But for me, one of them, if Tesla, when Tesla report earnings on Wednesday, right here, Tesla is reporting earnings Wednesday, most likely after market, and also Alphabet is reporting earnings again, most likely after market. So when they both do report earnings, if Tesla goes to the dirt, I hope they miss earnings because I want to get some shares in. Let's go over Tesla real quick from the technical aspect of it because I wanted to get some shares of Tesla and I said when the opportunity came for me and again I missed out. I said to myself, I drew this line and I said, once Tesla retrace and trading below 200 in the 200 range, we're going to get a bounce because it has been doing so quite well. And now the stock is trading at $329 a share. And previously, I wouldn't say a couple weeks ago, this was to be precise was 615. Tesla was trading at $271 a share, and I failed to invest. Look at the RSI and looking at the MACD that we're setting up. But normally, Tesla run itself up before earnings, and earnings again is Wednesday, which is the 23rd. And I will be keeping an eye out for this because if they do miss, and Tesla hit $210, guess who is loading the boat? I am. I'm going to load the boat in Tesla because again, Tesla is coming out with so much product. It's unbelievable why the stock is trading like this. And again, if Elon Musk, also the head of the company, decided to step down, then again, it can be tremendously pressure for the company. We can see that I have numerous lines drew previously waiting for a great opportunity and I keep on missing on my opportunity. Like for example, again, when $210 hit, look what it did. It rallied all the way up to $367. Missed out on a lot of profit there, but I hope they miss earnings so the buying opportunity can come for me because guess what? It's going to be a long-term trade because if you had bought Tesla 5 years ago, if you had got in at $149, you would have been up on your money. Again, if you had even bought at $100 a share, the company is at $329 this current day. So that's one of the stock that's reporting. Let's go over and look at Tesla on the on should say the technical, not the technical, but the fundamental aspect of it. So Tinker symbol is TSLA. Let's look at the fundamental. Most people right now are predicting Tesla not to beat earnings, but we never know. There's always so much surprises in this market. So let's look at the forecast for Tesla, what is expected of them. And now we're getting a lot of information, but I will say, how would I navigate all of this with Tesla? Let's look at Tesla quarterly, what they have been doing. It's the numbers are not great. You can see that revenue growth last year was down. We picked up, we pushed up, and we pushed up, and then we went back down again on revenue growth. So for this year, revenue growth is negative 9.23%, which is not good for the company. And looking again for June, 8.48%. And again for September, the revenue growth is gradually decreasing. So let's see if with earnings Tesla predicting to move higher. Let's see if the revenue beat and we get a better revenue because they're predicting for September for Tesla to have a $25 billion revenue growth. And in June they had 23.43 billion dollars, $23.43 billion, but not what Wall Street was expecting. And you can see that the revenue is not, it's all over the place because we were up last year 25, 27, 25.7, and then in March of this year went down to 19.3.